fast they change with the light.
Yeah.
But they get so goddamn dark, I can't read on them. Pressure rate is 5.4 to 1.
That's it?
None of them cruise a low pressure. Just at 80 pounds. Firing order. Firing order 1357246.
You got 7 of them.
Kit Fox Model 4. We're at Morris Airport.
So this little fracture must be where somebody snapped the wrist and takes the pain.
It's the latter, yep. That happens in every one. That's
Somebody steps off the black, huh?
Yep. Okay. Up on the black. Hand hold, step up right on the seat. This?
Like this leg's gonna fold up that far.
This thing, so Stace says to me, so what's the interior like?
Tight.
I said to her,
What's the interior like? It's like aluminum.
You're a pretty flexible man.
I says, there ain't no interior.
I didn't think I was gonna get into it.
I
I'm
says,
foolish. I used to race motorcycles and I paid a price for it now.
if you need some,
Telephone books.
you might need some. Just stand right up. Yeah, there you go. So anyway, I said to her, this thing's like a sprint car with wings. It doesn't have no interior.
What's this for?
Sight gauge.
It's just for your eye.
So that has a stick out the end with a big star on it. So that isn't in there right now.
Oh, okay.
And that lets you tell
Where you're at on your...
whether you're vertical or whether you're 45 or whatever.
Huh.
Probably not gonna need seatbelts.
Probably not what?
You need the seatbelts.
No.
You might get an itchy trigger finger in there, though.
Taxi.
Can't be down.
Come on, baby.